Hello students, welcome to JSPM and TSSM groups of schools. I am Bhagyashree Gardas, teacher of Signet Public School, Neomnare. Students, today we are going to learn one interesting story of class 2 English. Students, suppose you are going to this school and on the way you found 3 pencils and 3 erasers that are not yours. So what will you do? Will you keep these pencils and erasers in your bag? Or will you give it to the principal? Of course, you will give it to the principal, isn't it? But if you will keep these pencils and erasers in your bag, so that is wrong. So students, everybody should be an honest in life. We should not be greedy. So let's learn the story of honest woodcutter. There was an honest woodcutter. Because of his honesty, what rewards he got from the fairy? Let's learn the interesting story of the honest woodcutter. The name of the woodcutter was Robin. He lived in a small village. Every day he went to the forest to cut the wood. One day, the Robin was cutting the tree near the pond, and suddenly his axe slipped from his hand and fell into the pond. Robin was very sad. Oh no, how will I work without an axe? Saying this, the Robin started to crying and praying to God. Oh God, please help me. Oh God, please help me. The Robin was very poor woodcutter. He couldn't buy the new axe. You know students, what happened next? All of a sudden, one fairy came out of the pond. The fairy was wearing a lovely dress. The fairy looked at the honest woodcutter, Robin. She asked to the Robin, "Why you are looking so sad, young man?" The Robin said, "Fairy, I was cutting woods and my axe fell into this pond. This is a big pond. This is a deep pond. So I cannot get my axe out of this. Please help me," said the Robin to fairy. "Don't worry, I will get you your axe," saying the kind-hearted fairy. First, fairy took out an gold axe. The axe was glittering. She asked the Robin, "Is this axe you lost?" The Robin said, "No, this is not my axe." Fairy smiled and again she took out an axe made of silver. The axe was shining like a star. She asked the Robin, "Is this your axe?" But Robin refused to take the axe that was not his axe. "Okay, I will again try," said the fairy. And this time she took out an old iron axe. She asked the Robin, "Is this your axe?" Robin said, "Yes, this is my axe." He was very happy. And you know students, happily he cried. The fairy said to the Robin that I am very much pleased with your honesty. You are an honest man. So you can take all these 3 axes with you. These are the gifts from me to you." Saying this, the fairy disappeared into this pond. The Robin's joy knew no bound. Happily he went to the home with these 3 axes. So students, what is the moral of this story? Yes, always be honest. Honesty is the best policy, best quality. And honesty always has double rewards. So students, I hope you like this story. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.